Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to share the recipe of burger. It's so yummy and quite delicious. Basically, it's a beef burger, but we have tried it with KFC coating, so it's sort of a crispy, crunchy beef burger. Seriously, this burger is so yummy that you must have to try. So don't waste the time and let's jump into the video. Firstly, we have take the beef mince and squeeze all the water from it. You can also use your hand to do so. Now we have smashed all the minced with the help of mortar and pestle. You can also chop it in a chopper. Next step is to marinate the beef minced. We have sprinkled the salt over the beef mince. You can add it up to your taste. After that, add red chili flakes. You can add red chili powder also, but we like the texture of chili flakes, so we prefer to add chili flakes. It's time to add chapli kebab masala. It's really give a very good taste to the patty. We are adding the fresh green chili paste, which will increase the flavor and give a very nice texture. Now we are adding the main ingredient, which will give the juicy flavor to the patty. So just add the chili sauce and soya sauce to increase the flavor. We are gently mixing ingredients with the hands, but you can wear the gloves if you have sensitive skin. But mix the mixture for almost 4 to 5 minutes. After that, let it set for 45 minutes so you get the proper flavor of every ingredient. So after 45 minutes, now it's time to make patties out of marinated minced. Take small amount of minced and make small balls, then roll and press, and the patties are ready for coating. It's time to make batter. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of fine flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon mustard powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Here we are adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili sauce, and after that 3 to 4 tablespoons of soya sauce. After that, add small amount of water and mix well. Keep mixing and add more water till you get the required consistency. Remember one thing, batter must not be too thick nor too thin. Let's dip the patty in the batter and coat it well. After that, coat 1 layer of fine flour on both sides of the patty and fry the patty in the hot oil. Time to assemble the burger. Now toast the bun and add a layer of lettuce. Then add mayo, patty, and on the top add chili garlic sauce. At the end, add bun on the top and yes, the burger is ready. You can serve it with juice or soft drink depending on your taste. But we are going to serve to Mr. Golu. He just loves eating. Look man, he's enjoying. If you like the video, do thumbs up and give your feedback in the comment section. And do subscribe to the channel with the bell icon and get the notification of every future video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.